Sportside Classic Sports Car. Today we're delighted to offer you a superb low mileage 911. Okay, this is a 2004 997 series 3.6 manual coupe, finished in probably the best combination of guards red with stone grey leather upholstery. One owner until September last year, only being changed now by the second owner just due to the love of a 1960s Mini which we happen to have for sale. We've taken it part exchange. Full service history, serviced less than 500 miles ago with new belts and spark plugs, and the major service costing over £1,000. The condition on the car is it's hard to describe, but it's better than new. So the PPF film to the front, all the wheels, brakes, everything look like new. There's not a blemish on the car. It's had no paint work, and the paintwork absolutely gleams. It's of the highest quality. I would guess there's not a nicer early 997 available. Most of the cars have had loads of paintwork. They need paintwork on these back sill areas and the wheel arches and behind the back wheels there. These big back wheels chuck a load of stones up. This car's got none of that. It's like buying a brand new car. It just needs a private number plate, which it's got at the moment, which is coming off the car. So it's a base car with the exception of factory fitted electric slide and tilt sunroof and graduated tint windscreen. So no navigation, although it'd be out of date now anyway, although the big screen's still there. Other than that, everything that comes standard is standard. Tyres were changed about 4,000 miles ago. The car's just done over 7,000 now. Tyres were changed just due to the age of them. They're the correct speed rating Porsche tyres. The full service history that comes with the car is very detailed and shows every bit of expenditure the car's had. Who doesn't like a red 911? Inside the car, we've got this stone grey upholstery with suede grey headlining. See the sunroof there. Grey dashboard with silver stitching. Just take you around the car, just see how nice this car is. It's like buying a brand new car. Down the door shuts there. Entry cells, steering wheel, dashboard and everything all as new. There you'll see the mileage, which is 7069 as we stand. There's the big screen and the climate control and the all important 6-speed manual transmission. The rear has never been sat in by lots of things. It's got overmats as there is at the front. This is driver's foot pedals and the overmat looking as new. Carpets underneath are as new. Right, so this stone grey perforated leather upholstery. This is the driver's side, which you'd expect to have some wear. This is the driver's bolsters, and there's no wear at all. It really is as close to a new car as you can wish for. Okay, we've got all the keys are with the car. There's 2 keys in the valet key in the engine compartment. Again, doesn't look like it's seen any bad weather. I'm sure it hasn't. And finally, we'll go to the front. In the luggage compartment, we've got the tools and spare wheel bolts. And if you look at the detail up on the inner wings there, up onto the wipers, and coming down the driver's side. Everything as good as new. It's difficult to show you how good the paintwork is on this car, but I can assure you it must be the best one out there of this age. So if you are interested, please give us a call. We'll continue the video and take you down the road in the car in a short while. But if you are interested, give us a call on 01507 606 725 or visit the website wallsideclassics.co.uk for a video and some high resolution photos of the car. Thank you.